Hey, how's it going? Chris here with Yakima Valley Hops. Wanted to share some of my techniques that I like to utilize when I'm dry hopping pale ales and IPAs. So let's get into it. So key things when dry hopping that I like to do, definitely you want to drop your yeast out. Your aromas will stick to the cell walls of the yeast. So if you dry hop and then cold crash, you're going to strip some of those aromas. Also, if you are wanting those aromas layered in there, you're going to want to split up your dry hopping into multiple segments. For pale ales, I typically do what's called a double dry hop, where you split your dry hop into 2 days and dry hop every 24 hours. If you have the ability, drop them out the bottom in between. And then for IPAs, I like to do triple dry hop, which is the same thing. You're going to break your dry hopping up in 3 segments. And what that's going to do is improve your surface area with your hops, giving you the most layered aromas in that beer. So when I dry hop, I like to drop my tank temp to 50 degrees for 24 hours prior to starting my double or triple dry hopping. This beer is dry hopped at 1 pound per barrel. So we got a handy dandy 1 pound of Lupa Max that we're gonna throw in there for 24 hours. And then tomorrow I'll drop the cone and add the second dose. So here we go. All right, well, thanks for watching. Make sure you follow Yakima Valley Hops for more brewing tips and tricks, and we'll see you next time.